When I heard about the modern Golden Globe race, as I like to say it, next year, I was quite excited. And then Abhilash told me that he would like to take part in the race, and basically asked if I could help him out. I said, "What sort of question is that?" "Of course, I'll help him out." And then we decided that we can build a similar replica of Suhaili, which was incidentally built in the early 60s in Bombay. So why not build the same boat, replica of the boat in India? And Ratnakar was willing for that, and so the whole team got together actually. In fact, we were the core team for my project and for Abhilash's project. So the team was always together and always been looking for new avenues.
So like this, like this, like this, like this. यहाँ पे the rope will come from here, and there is a cam plate here, spring loaded plate. Here you just have to put this thing through it. There's no block coming.
Lower block of your main ship tackle will be on the car.
You will have a track.
Here you can see behind we are doing a design which is Eric. Eric is from a designer, American designer. It is the same design from which Suhaili was built. Suhaili was the boat which won the 1968 Golden Globe race with Sir Robin Knox Johnson at the helm, and we thought it would be great to replicate a boat like that, and which has already the design which has made already history, and we try to make a good boat for Abhilash so that he can surely come around the world. We have experience in doing such boats. We already have done Madhi, which has gone around the world twice and done more than 100,000 miles. And now we have built another vessel or a boat, Tarini, which will take the all-women crew of the Indian Navy around the world shortly.
I'm building a boat from the ground up, a brand new one. And my friend is building it. I trust him a lot. He was the guy who built the last boat I sailed around the world in 5 months, just 3 defects. And that speaks a lot about his boat building abilities. I think a boat built by him is going to be safe. There's no doubt about it. And a safe boat is a fast boat. If nothing's damaged, you can keep sailing with the speed that you had when you set off. You can have the same speed till the last day. I think that's what's going to make a big difference in this voyage. This guy's boats are safe, and because of that, they're very fast.